Hi viewers, in today's video we are visiting at Vajram Tiara Residential Project located in Yelahanka, Bangalore. So from here you can see the main entrance gate of the project. And this is the main connecting road in front of it. And this we are showing you the project elevation. So here you can take the interior view of project. And if we talk about this project in details, it is spread across 4.50 acres of land and there are total 4 number of towers with G plus 14 number of floors. And this project offers 3 and 4 BHK flats for the residents. Now from here you can see the sports amenities. And here you can take the exterior view of project towers. And in front you can see the parking space. So here you can take the view of high-rise apartments. So friends, that's all in this video. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.